Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to get activation code for ExpressVPN. Are you looking for a quick guide how to get activation code for ExpressVPN? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so we are in expressvpn.com and find and use your ExpressVPN activation code. So to do this, go to the ExpressVPN account dashboard. If prompted, enter your ExpressVPN credentials and click sign in, as you can see here. Step 2 is enter the verification code that is sent to you via email. And step 3, your activation code will appear on the dashboard under Setup Your Devices. Click your activation code to copy it to your clipboard. As you can see here, just click on this, and it will be automatically copied. And yeah, that's how you get your ExpressVPN activation code. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.